Hey, Anthony F. here, Pantherware LLC. Sorry, I did not shave, but I just felt I needed to get this information out to you right now, and then I'll clean up later. Um, there are so many ways nowadays for musicians to make money with their music, with their ideas, with their brand. So many ways. And I really want to help y'all with that. I don't see that out there a lot. I don't know if it's because, people are in the moment, so they don't have time to tell you. But there are many ways. I just want to touch on one way for your brand. If you are still doing live shows, I recommend you go to merch.amazon.com and create your merchandise. It's so important. It's another way to make money. Um, if you are savvy internet wise, when you're about to do a show, when you're about to do a live show, even on Instagram, shoot out your store, your virtual store with your merchandise so that they can buy their clothes and then watch you wearing your brand. That's what fans want to do, you know? Fans want to have your cool album cover as you're listening to your album music. That's what a real fan wants to do, and that's what you want to have available to them. So I definitely recommend Amazon merch. There's Redbubble also. It's an easier entry to get into Redbubble and upload your album covers, upload your brand, make money with your music in so many ways. And this is just the beginning of what I'm going to show. I have a lot of information that I've learned over the years, and I want to help you with it, musical wise and technology wise. So, this is the first episode of How Can I Make Money with Music? Anthony Ferrier, Pantherware LLC. Till next time.